when I was about 12, I remember reading Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. And if you haven't read it, just where have you been? Go out and get this book right now. Well, not right now, after you hear this interview. But I remember reading that book and thinking at the end, how did she do that? How did she do that? How did she keep me turning the pages and guessing and guessing and guessing, and then come up with an ending that was absolutely surprising, but when you understood it, completely exactly what had to happen? How did she do that? And it wasn't only this twisty, fabulous mystery with a surprising but inevitable ending, but she had characters who mattered, who cared about something with motivation, and this marvelous detective, Hercule Poirot, who solved the mystery and then did something else. It wasn't just about whatever justice means and catching the bad guy means. It was about our ethical, moral place in society and what broad justice really meant. And it was pivotal. It was life-changing. And that was the moment up in the hayloft reading Agatha Christie that I thought, I could write mysteries. I think I want to write mysteries. And then it crossed my mind, maybe I'd rather be a detective, that it might be more fun to be Sherlock Holmes than it would be to write about Sherlock Holmes. And it's so funny because as I turned out to be an investigative reporter and a crime fiction writer, it's a little bit of each, a little bit detective and a little bit writer, and all about crime fiction and all about justice. So I love how that comes together.